That's a comfortable one. Now it's on to the FA Cup final. Let's go. Well, people, welcome back to the channel, fam. My name is Rome. You guys are watching the fourth official. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. We're getting very close to 1,000 subscribers, so please drop a like, subscribe, referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. All right. First of all, good win Manchester United 2-1. No sort of troubles. After we lose the first goal, I was like, all right, let's go. See what we can do. Hit the post a couple of times in the first half, and then Jason Sancho showed up, pop up in the right place at the right time, sneak it one in. You gotta love it. You have to love it. There's literally no segment this week about what do we see from Manchester United. But we're gonna talk the Premier League. And what did we just see? Leicester City, fam, getting regulated, fam, sent down to the championship, fam, regulated completely, and I am loving it. They sold us 80 million worth of Harry Maguire 4 years ago. Them deserve it. They sold Chelsea 80 million worth of Fofana. Them deserve it. You deserve every set of problem you get this year. Go back down to the championship. Go back play with Bolton and them fucker man, they don't get a championship. I don't even know. But go back down there. Sunderland, Charlton, what are them down there? So play with them down there. So done with you for the day. And what did we just see? Leeds come. We all ate. Leeds come. Leeds, go back down. Go back down, Leeds. Go back down. Go back down. Go and go play with Charlton, Sunderland, and them, man. Go back down. Your type of football has been shit all year, fam. That's why I'm obsessed with Manchester United loss to you guys. Well, we kind of lost. Well, it's a draw, still a loss. But I'm upset that we drew to you guys because you man are shit, fam. You play football, the type of football that nobody wants to see. Oh, we play expensive football. We're here to spread the field. We're going to spread. Bullshit, fam. Bull fucking shit, bro. Bull goddamn shit. You guys deserve to be done. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And what did we just see? Southampton. I mean, you've been relegated about 2 or 3 games now, but fam, you bring your best game in the last game of the season. And you still just 4-4. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what the fuck to tell you other than you man are sloppy. Very, 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 very sloppy, fam. Very, very, very sloppy. And last, but certainly not least, and what did we just see? Liver stool. Liver stool. Those wastemen from Merseyside. Liver stool. What's going on, fam? I thought you were going to challenge for the title this year. I thought Manchester United going to finish 6th or 7th this year. What's going on? You end up at 5th, barely. You're struggling for life, barely. What's going on, fam? What is going on? Is this the last of Liverpool challenging for the title? Of Liverpool supremacy? What's going on? Remember you were struggling with Chelsea for a while on 11th and 10th. What's going on? You man are dead, fam. Dead. Completely dead. You buy Nunes, you buy Gakpo, still dead. You bring back Diego Jota, still dead. Luis Diaz, still dead. Your side is shite. Your side is absolute shite. Complete and utter shite. Complete, utter shite. So, yeah. Welcome back to Europa League football. You know that tune, that Wednesday evening tune next season? When the rhythm start playing, I say, we are the champions. Old Trafford will be singing that next year. What will you be singing? What will you be singing, Liverpool? Waste man side. Complete waste man. Your side dead. You guys are fucking Dead, fam. Dead. Gwaan. All right, people, let's look forward to next week. We'll be playing the FA Cup final against Man City. It's going to be a tough game, but it's going to be a neutral game, a neutral feel. With more Manchester United fans than anyways, because Liverpool have 10 fans, but that's a different conversation. We need to go out there and show them that we can win this game. We need to go out there and show them that we can win this game. Let's fucking go. Big up yourself, people. Bless yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.